Without a doubt, one of the most exciting stages in the construction of petrochemical and refinery plants is the installation of static and rotating equipment. Static equipment includes drums, towers, tanks, reactors, and heat exchangers. Rotating equipment includes pumps and compressors. All of them must be installed carefully and under the supervision of the HSE team to ensure a safe working environment. The installation process is usually carried out by specialized contractors. At first, depending on whether the equipment is static or rotating, horizontal or vertical, it is lifted by a crane and moved to the installation point. Then, it is fixed in its designed position according to the drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the PetroPlant YouTube channel. I'm Alex, and I invite you to watch another educational video about petrochemical and refinery plants. In this video, we're going to see the installation of a horizontal shell and tube heat exchanger, which is currently being installed by the equipment installation contractor. At the same time, I'll also introduce other items that appear in the camera frame so you can become more familiar with the surrounding components. As you know, heat exchangers are devices where fluids exchange heat without coming into direct contact with each other. The shell and tube type is one of the most widely used models in the oil, gas, and petrochemical industries. This exchanger consists of a shell and a bundle of tubes. One fluid flows inside the tubes while the other fluid passes outside the tubes within the shell. Heat transfer occurs through the walls of the tubes. Heat moves from the hot fluid to the tube wall and then to the cold fluid. In shell and tube heat exchangers, the tube bundle, which includes the tubes, tube sheets, baffles, and tie rods, can be either removable or fixed. If the exchanger is of the fixed tube sheet type, the tubes are permanently welded or attached to the shell, which means the tube bundle cannot be removed for cleaning or maintenance. But in removable tube bundle types, the tube bundle can be separated from the shell, making cleaning and inspection on both sides much easier. Before we start the video and take a closer look at this heat exchanger, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. I have some good news for you. Very soon, I'll be recording a new video about the installation of one of the most important pieces of equipment in the petrochemical and refinery industry, the distillation column. So, if you'd like to know as soon as it's released, subscribe to the channel right now and turn on the bell icon so YouTube can send you a notification when the video goes live. And finally, I invite you to watch another drone video where I introduce more components of this fascinating industry. See you in the next video. Take care.